8th lesson. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept juice of mangoes, inspissated juice of mangoes, juice of wood apples, citrons, grapes, wild dates, pomegranates, coconuts, bamboos, jujubes, myrobalans, tamarinds, or any such like liquor containing particles of the shell or skin or seeds, which liquor the layman, for the sake of the mendicant, pressed, strained, or filtered through a basket one, cloth, or a cow's tail. For such liquor is impure and unacceptable. 1. When a monk or a nun on a begging tour smells, in travelers' houses or garden houses or householders' houses or mouths, the scent of food or drink or sweet scents, they should not smell them, being indifferent against smell, and not eager or desirous or greedy or covetous of the pleasant smell. 2. Page 109. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept raw things which are not yet modified by instruments 1, as bulbous roots, growing in water or dry ground, mustard stalks, for they are impure and unacceptable. The same holds good with regard to long pepper, ground long pepper, common pepper, ground common pepper, ginger or ground ginger. 3. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept such raw fruits which are not yet modified by instruments, as those of mango, amritaka, gagaira 2, surabi 3, salaki 4, for they, and c. 4. The same holds good with regard to raw shoots which, and c. as those of asvatha, nyagrota, palamku 5, nayura 6, salaki 5. The same holds good with regard to raw berries which, and c. as those of Kapitha 7, pomegranate, or pipala. 6. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept raw, powdered fruits which are not well ground and still contain small seeds, as those of umbara, palamku, nyagrota, and asvatha, 4 and c. 7. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept unripe wild rice 8, dregs, honey, liquor, ghee, or sediments of liquor, if these things be old or if living beings are engendered or grow or thrive in. Page 110. Them or are not taken out, or killed or destroyed in them. 8. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept any such like raw plants 1 as ikshumaru, akakaralu, kazaru, samgatika, pushalu. 9. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept any such like vegetables, as nymphea or stalk of nymphea or the bulb of nelumbium or the upper part or the filament of lotus or any part of the plant. 10. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept such like raw substances as seeds or sprouts, growing on the top or the root or the stem or the knots of a plant, likewise the pulp or blossoms of the plantain, coconut, wild date, and palmyra trees. 11. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept any such like raw unmodified substances as sugar cane, which is full of holes, or withering or peeling off or corroded by wolves, or the points of reeds or the pulp of plantains. 12. The same holds good with regard to garlic or its leaves, or stalk or bulb or integument. 13. Likewise with regard to cooked fruits of Athea 2, Tinduka 3, Vilva 4, Sharparni 5. 14. A monk or a nun on a begging tour should not accept such raw, unmodified substances as corn, clumps of corn, cakes of corn, sesamum, ground sesamum, or cakes of sesamum. This is the whole duty, and see. Thus I say. 15. Footnotes. 108:1 Kava, Sanskrit, Kavdaka, Sikh. The Hindi has Kavda, basket. 109 to 1 i.e. when they have undergone no operation which takes the life out of them. 109:2 Name of a shrub. 109:3 explained by Sadhguru. 109:4 Boswellia thurifera. 109:5 explained by Pipari. 109:6 Cedrela tuna. 109:7 The wood apple tree, Feronia elephantum. 109:8 Amadaga, explained in the commentary Amapanam, unripe or half-ripe, Aranicatandulea cauti. 110:1 of these plants only kazaru, a kind of grass, and Samgatica tropibus pinosa, are specialized in our dictionaries. 110:2 A certain tree. 110:3 Diospyros glutinosa. 110:4 Egli marmelos. 110:5 Pistis stratiades.